Do you know you can use a crypto trading bot to actually buy and sell cryptos for you, and the profit made from that, it is actually your profit. And then this is using a technology called artificial intelligence. Hello, my name is Lindy Sherries. Welcome to my channel. In this channel we talk crypto stocks and forex, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own bot, how to set up an API management connecting to Binance, how to set up and actually start your bot so that you can make money today. And all of this is done in a demo version, so you do not need to use your own money until you are comfortable to trade, and then you can start creating your bot. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. That you need to do, you do need to sign up with BitsGap, and then you just need an email, and then you create your own password, and then you'll have to verify your email address, and then after it will take you to this page. At the top you would see that you have to connect to a crypto exchanger, and then you can see how to connect, which is a blog which shows you how to connect, but then I will show you how to connect step by step so that you do not struggle to do this. So I do need to connect to my Binance account. I'm already in my Binance account. I go to my profile. At the bottom is API management, and then it will take me to this page, and then I need to give my API a name, and then after I'll do verification, and if you did set it up you will do it. And then now I also have two-factor authentication, and now I have two API key and API secret key. So I will show you. You'll have to copy this to a Word document, and then after you add a new exchange, and then you add those API keys and secret keys, and now you are connected. When you see green connected, your bot app is now connected. So you see now you can have other crypto exchange, but the one that I'm going to use is Binance. And now first we have to look at the currency pairs. So the currency pairs, there's different, and then the investment is where you set your amount, and then it will show you on this currency pair how much money is going to be your base currency and how much is going to be your quotient currency. And then there are also grid steps where you can specify the spacing as well. There's also trailing up and trailing down. At the bottom you see that there's strategies that are already created for you, and then it also gives you a percentage. You can back test and see if the strategy actually works. So what is happening here, you can select a date. I mean, this one, if you have traded on these days, you can actually see from January to 26 January, you'd actually see how much money you would have made using this strategy. And then in this screen, you do see these red and green rounds. So red means it's a sell, and then green, it means it's a buy. So you can extend this page and also go at the bottom. This is where you see close orders and open orders, and then at the bottom on the right hand side you see the total amount, and then you'll see profit as well if there was a profit made. So now let's go select another currency pair so that we can see how much profit was made using this back test. So now remember, back test just to see the history of what the certain pair did accumulate at that point in time. So now when we come here, you do see that for this strategy, if you did buy on these dates, you would have made this profit, and then this is the profit that Ada Cardano made, and it actually has 5,967 close orders, and at the moment open orders is 180. So this is a strategy which you can use if you don't know which strategy, if you don't have a strategy. So there are other currency pairs which you can use. You can just select any other currency pair like XRP, and then it is given to you. So while you are starting and do not know how to create your own strategy, I think I can recommend that you select some of these strategies and select the one with the highest amount. So as I said, there's a lot of bot apps which you can use, so you can just go ahead and check. Now I'm selecting another currency pair called TKO and USDT, and then when you go down you'll actually be able to see the profit as well that this has made. And then let's now look at this trading view dashboard. This is where you actually do your technical analysis, and then now you see the high and the low. So you basically move this one, and then then if you do not see the low price that four corner button, you can click the plus sign and the negative sign in order to increase the zoom. So this strategy is used. It's actually not a strategy. This is actually defining your trading range. So the 70% and 30%, 70% sell, which is the high price you specified on the red, and 30%, which is the low. You see that 70% of the money actually goes to the base currency, and at this moment is task, and then 30% will go to quotient currencies. So in this strategy makes sense when the market is on an upward movement, and then you expect the market to keep going up. Now when you reduce the trading range and make the sell to be 30% and the buy to be 70%, and then this one is when the market is still going up, but then the trend is actually losing. So these are other strategies that you can use and change your range. So this configuration you need to do in order to define your board. So the last one which you can use as well is the 50-50, where your buy is 50% and your sell is 50%. And when you look at the approximately, you see that the dusk and also BTC is similar to 50-50%. So you use this one when the market is going sideways, and also the market will fluctuate within these boundaries as well. So when you look on your right hand side, you would see as well that there is an investment, so you can also specify your investment, and then also you can play around with this trading view, and then you can click on the right hand side in order to increase the zoom or decrease the zoom. So you can also do that as well. And then let's just look at what is a trading bot. So a crypto trading bot are computer software that places and manages trades based on existing regulation, based on whatever you've configured. They watch the market and trade when certain market conditions are met. Most crypto trading bots work by connecting directly to a cryptocurrency exchange. After the bot successfully connects to an exchange, it starts watching the market and waiting for a certain event to happen, and then that's how you make a profit. And then now when you look at this, let's just continue. You see on the right hand side the investment you can actually specify, and then at the top you did see the exchange, you did see the pair, and then now we are changing the investment to 0.05. And as well, do make sure that you are in the demo version, because the demo version allows you to practice and actually do more without losing your money. So once you are well comfortable, you can change that to a live view. So now let's go to the grid steps and the grid levels as well, so that you can see how to configure these grid steps. And then grid space actually is the distance between orders. The more quantity you have, the more the less grid space you will have. So you just have to play around with those ones. And now can you see some of these currency pairs which exist, which you can select, and then you can preview as well. And then let's just go and see how to start a bot. And then now you see the exchange is already Binance as well. And then now let's start a bot so that you can see. So we already have a bot. We've already configured the grid quantity, the grid space. So you're just confirming now the sell orders and the buy orders. We use the 50-50%, and then you will see the high price and the low price as well as, and then after when you click confirm, you actually starting your bot. To start this bot is necessary to buy, because now you don't have dusk. You probably have one BTC in this demo version, because I am using a demo. Now when you look at this price, you would see that it's 25,477 on the right hand side, but this one is a bit more. It's because it includes fees, so that's why you can have a more. So now our bot is starting, and then we will see how this bot is performing. For now, it probably doesn't even have orders. You can modify this bot and change the strategy and change the grid level and spaces. Now can you see that our bot has started in my demo version. So do make sure that you are in the demo version, especially if you do not know. And then I will add more videos on this so that we can continue learning, and then you can just see the value, and then as well you can see the change. The change is actually where if it goes up, you're actually making a profit. And then when you click that diagram, the arrow like graph, then you can see more details on the broad profit, the current funds, the initial funds, the benchmark, and your daily profit since you've done this. So I've done this yesterday, and now I'll have to wait, but then I will record another video to show you how this bot is performing. Can you see now that we have one close order, and then it is actually 2 close orders, and then can you see the profit that this bot is making? So if I wasn't in a demo version already, this is the money that I would have made on this bot. So this is how basically you can make. So these are some of other old orders that happened, and then you can see more. You can also export this to to an Excel document, and then you can just view more to see your bot. And then you don't need to do anything after this. All of this is artificial intelligence, it's automated for you, and then you are done. And then guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I know many of you are connected, I do watch my videos but haven't subscribed. Please do subscribe, hit that bell notification, like, and also recommend this video to more people so that the cryptocurrency channel can grow, and also for me to have more time, because it is my plan to resign December, and then I plan to do other things, and one of those things is to go fully on cryptocurrency. So I'll have time to learn more of these things so that I can teach you guys while working on my other businesses. So guys, I hope you understand how to create your bot, and more videos will be coming, and then we will know how to operate these bots. So there are people on YouTube already who are making a lot of money using bots, but then obviously they are investing more. Thank you so much for watching.